Yes, brother. Your name
My name
and your
is
profession and your question.
My name is Sumani George. I want to first of all know, is it a prerogative for one to possess a Christian name and be a Muslim?
Is it possible
Yeah.
for one to have a Christian name and be a Muslim? Yes, brother. As long as the name is not shirk. If it's a name associating partners with God, that you have to change. If it's a general name, John, Jack, you can keep your name and yet be a Muslim. For Muslim, you have to believe that there's none worthy of worship except Allah, and Prophet Muhammad is a messenger, become Muslim. You can continue with your name. You don't have to change your name. It's not compulsory. Brother, do you believe that there is one Allah?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe Jesus is God?
No,
Do you believe Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of Allah?
long before today.
MashaAllah. So would you like to say it in Arabic? Would you like
Yeah.
to say it in Arabic?
Yes.
Is anyone forcing you to accept Islam?
No,
Are you doing it of your own free will?
yes.
I'll say it in Arabic and you repeat it. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu anna
Anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
Rasulullah.
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluhu.
I bear witness
I bear witness
there is none worthy
that,
of worship
there is no God
but Allah.
but Allah, and Muhammad is the messenger of God.
MashaAllah. Takbir. 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 MashaAllah. May Allah grant you paradise. May He give you the good in this world and akhirah. I would like to gift you a copy of the translation of the Quran. I would request the volunteers if they can get a few more copies of the Quran. 2 more at least.